Hello and welcome to the Innovation Games here at Sydney Olympic Park.
My name's Kylie McCulloch and I'm a member of the Australian cycling team.
Angus Glover here, guard with the Sydney Kings.
Hi, my name's Beck Beeson and I play for the GWS Giants.
We're both 10-metre platform divers on the Australian team.
And I'm a bowler with the Sydney Thunder. Today, Matt and myself are going to be doing the egg toss challenge.
And I'm going to do a ball dropping experiment.
Today I'll be kicking a few goals.
And talk to you about how gear ratios work.
We're going to play a game of sink or float.
Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, let's get stuck into it.
So what I'm going to do is put the golf ball on top of the tennis ball and the tennis ball on top of the basketball and see what happens.
So there are two key types of energy at play here. There's kinetic energy or moving energy and potential energy, which you can think of like stored energy.
And I'm going to try to kick the ball here. So when I kick it, it spins nicely into the goal.
So now we have this very heavy bowling ball. Surely it's going to sink.
Let's jump into the experiment and see how gear ratios affect acceleration.
So to test out the gears, first she's going to be in first gear, then fifth gear, then 11th gear.
So we're going to be throwing an egg to each other, starting really close and see how far back we can go without it breaking.
The further the guys are getting apart from each other, the more they have to move with the momentum of the egg to be able to catch it without smashing it.
Oh no! I put too much on it. Sorry.